Today's video is a very realistic laundry day, but it's night. Everyone's kind of settling in for the night. So technically this is a laundry after dark. As you can see, I've gathered all the many loads of clothes that had accumulated in my laundry room because I've been so busy. I've thrown them in a pile on my couch, and I'm gonna sit down and kind of relax and still have my me time as I watch YouTube. But I'm taking a load off, no pun intended, so that I can still relax and chill and just have my me time, kind of mentally relax and just escape into someplace else, into someone else's lives as I watch Clean With Me's and different things like that on YouTube. But I'm still chilling at the same time, but I'm getting things done, which is great. So I'm serving two functions at the same time. While I'm relaxing, I'm not up on my feet, moving around. Laundry is not normally something that I would do sitting on the couch. Normally I'm up on my feet in the laundry room, running to different rooms all over the house, putting clothes where they go. But tonight's gonna be a little different because housework is just that. It's work, and it can feel very tiresome sometimes, but sometimes you can take a load off and still get some of the things that you can do while you're sitting done. So you'll notice that I have gathered some hangers, and I'm taking a lot of the clothes and putting them on hangers, and that's because I don't fold all of my clothes. I mean, I know a lot of people fold clothes, but in our house, most of the clothes are clothes that are hung away in closets, and that just makes it more convenient for finding things, for putting away things. It's a lot quicker to hang something on a hanger than it is to fold things. So I tend to hang all shirts, all baby clothes, all pants, all dresses. And the only thing that you're really gonna see me fold are blankets for the baby, towels for the entire family, the baby's towels, regular towels that we put in our linen closets. But majority of everything else I'm going to hang. And this is just a bit of inspiration for your cleaning. If you're doing laundry, you can sit down and watch this video and do it with me, and we'll get it done together. And I just like to do a special little plug because I really enjoy all of these onesies that I've got. I brought over 20 from Carter's, both through Amazon and at the Carter store. And I got these especially for fall and winter for the baby. They have been a lifesaver, guys. Like, it is so convenient to just pop him in a onesie. And these are onesies that are big enough for 18-month to 2-year-old babies. And so they have just been great. He wears one every night for sleep. He wears them when he's going outside in the cold. I'll put shoes over the footies, and it really just looks like he has on an outfit. And it gives me a sound mind while I'm working during the day. When he's at school, I know that they're going outside for recess and playing. And since it's technically still winter and we're still getting the cool, cold weather, when they're outside and it's 70 degrees, but they're playing in their shaded recess area, I don't have to worry about whether he's got a coat on or not, or whether teachers remember to put his jacket back on, because he's covered. It also protects his skin, you know, from touching and playing with the other kids, from germs. All I really have to worry about when I pick him up is that I'm making sure that I'm wiping down his hands really good and his face really good to try to just keep him, you know, just a little bit more loved, just a little bit more covered up, just a little bit more safe. And you'll see I folded these 2 pairs of blue jeans, but I don't even know why I did that because I'm gonna put them on hangers later. yeah, now I'm almost finished with the entire process, and I've been enjoying myself watching YouTube the entire time, as you can see. And I feel like this is a very realistic way to do some of your house cleaning, because most people probably watch TV while they're doing their chores, as you can clearly see that I'm doing. At this point, I was watching Their Eyes Are Watching God with Halle Berry and Michael Ealy on YouTube. And I really love this movie. It's so good, but it's so intense, and I was really into it. So my eyes were like glued to the screen. And yes, that is a What a Burger cup sitting right there. I had me a burger. Not the best dinner choice, but I just had to have it, y'all. So now that I'm done separating all of the clothes onto hangers and folding them, I'm just gonna go and put them up where they need to go around the house, to the baby's rooms, to the master bedrooms, to the linen closet, just wherever they need to go. And lastly, now I'm going to come back and just kind of straighten up the couch, because I did have clothes all over it and I was moving clothes around, and so the pillows did kind of get ruffled. So I'm just going to straighten all that up, and I'm just going to finish relaxing. So I hope you found this video helpful to help you get those things done, even though you feel like you just want to relax. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.